हेलो दोस्तों, मैं मोहम्मद सिंह योगी। अभी हम एक रिजॉर्ट लॉन्च करने वाले हैं जो है सोनागढ़ रिसोर्ट, दिल्ली रोड पर। उसकी डिटेल देखिए।
Welcome to Jaipur, the pink city of India. A city known for its royal heritage, timeless foods, colorful bazaars, and warm Rajasthani hospitality. Today, Jaipur stands among the most preferred wedding and leisure destinations in India. A perfect blend of tradition, celebration, and luxury. And right here on the ever-growing Delhi Road, surrounded by some of Rajasthan's finest resorts and event venues, lies a new landmark, Sonagarh Fort Resort. This region, Kukas, is known for its scenic hills, peaceful ambience, and excellent road connectivity. Being close to the Northern Ring Road, the resort enjoys fast access from all sides of Jaipur. Sonagarh is situated right opposite the iconic Lohagarh Road, just across the way, placing it in the heart of Jaipur's luxury resort belt. As we approach, the magnificent fort-inspired entry gate rises into view, a grand fusion of royal architecture and engineering. Just beside the gate lies a 450 plus car parking area designed to easily handle big weddings, large events, and weekend rush. The entry pathway welcomes guests with elegant elephant sculptures, a symbol of grace, prosperity, and regal hospitality. At the center of the driveway is a beautifully crafted roundabout, celebrating the colors and grandeur of Rajasthani wedding traditions through sculpted artworks. Moving ahead, the drop-off area features an impressive set of 7 horse sculptures representing progress, strength, and celebration. From here, guests enter the heart of Sonagarh Fort Resort. The reception lobby is a breathtaking space crowned with a massive glass roof, allowing natural light to flood the interiors. Traditional arches, stone textures, and modern elements come together to create a warm, royal welcome. Spread across the lush green landscape, are 3 categories of villas, each crafted like a private royal residence. Super Deluxe Villa, a cozy yet elegant 700 square feet retreat with handcrafted detail. Grand Suite Villa, 1000 square feet of refined comfort with a living room and a serene veranda. Residential Mansion Villa, the grand 1300 square feet premium option with a large living area, master bedroom, and a lavish outdoor deck. Truly a personal royal mansion in the forest. Each villa ensures complete privacy while staying deeply connected to nature. At the heart of the property flows the signature lazy river, inspired by ancient fort moats. It gently winds around the resort, connected to ponds filled with ducks, lotus flowers, and colorful fish. Along the water are peaceful cabanas, shaded deck areas, and a beautiful swimming pool, visually merging with the lazy river. A unique submerged bar lets guests enjoy drinks while partially seated in the water. And for couples, a magical floating dinner deck glides slowly across the still water, creating an unforgettable romantic experience. Rising above the landscape is the crown jewel, the Sonagarh Palace Hotel. A 150-room fort-inspired palace featuring stone facades, charukhas, domed pavilions, and stunning architectural detailing. Inside the hotel, guests can choose between deluxe rooms, suite rooms, each offering serene views of the gardens, lazy river, and natural surroundings. And just above, the hotel boasts a spectacular rooftop swimming pool overlooking the hills, creating one of the most scenic pool experiences in Jaipur. The resort includes a grand multi-cuisine restaurant, blending global flavors with authentic Rajasthani tastes. For large gatherings, celebrations, or corporate events, the Royal Banquet Hall offers palace-style interiors and a truly majestic ambience. To complete the Sonagarh experience, the resort includes a dedicated helipad, ensuring seamless access for VIP guests, wedding entries, and high-profile travelers. Sonagarh Fort Resort is not just a property. It is the rebirth of a forgotten royal fort, where heritage meets nature and luxury meets timeless Rajasthani charm. Welcome to a world that is serene, majestic, and truly unforgettable. Welcome to Sonagarh Fort Resort.